Hey friends, welcome to another corner of our garage. You can see this is a blank canvas ready to create a space for good organization. Maybe you've got something similar with stacked boxes or tools just kind of thrown in the corner. And it's time to make this space look much nicer. I've got a cool product to show you guys today, a nice shelving system. This right here is the STANI multiple tiered shelf system. And it comes with everything you see here. It's actually fairly easy to put together. So I'm gonna show you a quick method for putting it all together, and we'll give it a demo and review. Now you can see our shelving unit comes in this really long box. It's extremely heavy. You do need a couple of people to move this thing. And there's a little bit of assembly required. This is not a difficult process, but do give it at least an hour, maybe longer. It just takes a little bit of time until you get used to it. Now here's all of our pieces out of the box. You can see most of the materials here, including the shelf panels. I'm gonna just throw one of these open so you can see this is really lightweight material. Don't expect any of these things to be, super high grade, thick steel. It would just be way too expensive and heavy to ship. So everything's really light and manageable. Independently, not very strong, but once you put everything together, it creates a very stable shelving unit that actually can hold thousands of pounds. Okay, so I've got the support beams, the side support beams built. This, friends, is the part that takes the longest. In fact, if you've got a little foldable table here, this really helped. You're basically just putting these little bolts with these nuts into these little cross beams here to create a nice stable structure. It's just time consuming. It's cold out, so my fingers kind of hurt. It'd be really nice if this was just a really nice click snap type system. So again, just give it a little time. Okay, as you can see, we've got our main structure built up now. Again, at the beginning, you may have seen I had my wife kind of help me hold these crossbars up so I could get one of these guys on, and then everything else just kind of pulls into place fairly easily. Now, these are the cross sections. You can see there's these little slots in the bar here, the main support bar. And then this goes across and they have little notches and that just slides straight down in there. And you also saw that I needed a hammer on this bottom one. Unfortunately, a couple of these are bent. That one's okay. This one's a little bent, you can see. So I may need to pull out some pliers and just straighten that out. Unfortunately, in these packs, because of that soft material, you may find that yours are like that as well. We'll put these crossbars on the back. Just make sure they match up with the ones on the front so that the shelves sit level. Now, each of these crossbars come with this little insert to help with safety so that the shelf doesn't fall off. All you need to do is put the pin in just like that. Again, in each of the holes where the crossbars meet the support beam here. And again, it just adds a nice little extra layer of protection. You can see it back there. Okay, it's time to start putting our shelves in on the crossbars here. And there's two different styles. There's this one where the end is closed, and I'll show you the difference between the other one. These go on the outside. So I'll put this just like that. Again, the outside edges. Now on the middle pieces, this one's marked J. You can see there's this little slot on the end, and that goes down so that it wraps over the side here and creates a little more of a grip onto the crossbars. Here's a quick look again at the platform that is created when those shelves go into place. Again, these individually are not very strong, but when it's put together with this whole support system, you now can hold thousands of pounds on these shelves. All right, and as you can see, we have everything put together and in place. We put it up against that side wall there. Let's get a closer look at things here. As you can see, it's pretty deep. This measures 24 inches deep, 71 inches wide, and then it's roughly, I think it's 64 inches high. So I'm 6 foot, and this is gonna hit me right in the forehead here as far as height goes. Should be decent enough height to be able to, for most people to reach that top shelf. And it's looking pretty sturdy, even with our uneven floor. This thing is feeling pretty secure. It's not shaking around. and it's time to put some stuff on here. Now, as I mentioned, these shelves are capable of holding thousands of pounds. In fact, this one's rated up to 5,000 pounds. All right, so please excuse the mess, but I want to show you guys what these things look like when they're full of stuff. We have both a short one and then a longer one in this part of the garage. And as you can see, we have just packed this full of both super heavy items we kind of have on the bottom, all of our camping gear, our coolers, and other, again, adventure gear items. There's just a ton of storage room. One of the best ways of utilizing all this space properly is with a good solid bin system. So again, as you can see, we are in the midst of our organizational process, but these storage shelves, again, they just hold a ton. So there you go, friends. That is the STANI storage system. Again, this is the longer 72 width version shelves. Overall, I really like these. I give them a big thumbs up. They're actually fairly budget friendly if you're looking for these shelving systems. A lot of people would want to build this, but honestly, with the price of lumber right now, this may be an actual better buy and easy to put together for most people. Again, it can hold up to 5,000 pounds, so feel free to pack it out with all sorts of your storage needs. If you're interested in grabbing it for yourself, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. And then stay tuned. We actually do a ton of these review videos, DIY projects, stuff to hopefully help your life be just a little bit better. Stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.